Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our offline and online classes for UGC NET for English Literature, so stay tuned with us. Comedy as a literary genre has been a source of entertainment and amusement for audiences across various cultures and historical periods. This essay delves into the different types of comedy, their characteristics, and their roles in captivating audiences and providing a momentary escape from the complexity of life. From romantic comedy to farce, each form of comedy brings forth unique elements that cater to the human desire for laughter and joy. Romantic comedy. The first type of comedy explored in this lecture is romantic comedy, which originated from Elizabethan dramatists in the likeness of contemporary prose romances. These comedies center around love affairs involving charming heroines and occasionally in disguise. Despite facing obstacles, the stories conclude with happy unions, providing a sense of fulfillment for the audience. Some of Shakespeare's romantic comedies delve into a mythical green world where conflicts of the ordinary world dissolve and true love triumphs. Satiric comedy. Satiric comedy, another facet of the comic genre, takes a different approach by ridiculing political policies, philosophical doctrines, and deviations from social norms. With examples from Aristophanes and Ben Jonson, we can explore how this form of comedy uses exaggerated characters and situations to create grotesque and repulsively ludicrous scenarios. Comedy of manners. Now we move on to comedy of manners, which finds its roots in the works of Greek playwrights Menander and Roman dramatists Plautus and Terence. This form of comedy focuses on the vicissitudes of young lovers and showcases the sophisticated upper-class society. There was a revival of this genre during Restoration period, exemplified by works of playwrights such as William Congreve and William Wycherley. Farce. Farce is a type of comedy that aims to evoke simple, hearty laughter. Farce uses exaggerated character types and improbable situations, along with physical bustle and horseplay, to create belly laughs in the audience. There is also distinction between high and low comedy, and farce forms a significant component of both. Conclusion. The genre of comedy, with its various forms and functions, holds a significant place in literary and theatrical traditions. It has the power to bring joy, amusement, and catharsis to audiences, allowing them to momentarily escape from the mundane aspects of life.